Why reading balance sheet is important? Friends, understand balance sheet basically conveys the image of the business organization to the outsiders. So it just reflects what you are. So you should be good and you should reflect good, and for that you should have a good balance sheet. And to have a good balance sheet, you should know what is good and what is bad. So it becomes necessary for every entrepreneur, it becomes necessary for every top executives, chief executives, every employees to understand the balance sheet of their business. So the number one reason is it conveys your image, so you should know how your image is looking. For that you should know how to read the balance sheet. Number two, the investors will evaluate the business units by looking at the balance sheet. So they take a decision whether to invest or not to invest by looking at the balance sheet and looking at the various data available in the balance sheet. So on what angle they'll be looking, so that you also should know. Lenders will be taking their lending decision based on the balance sheet. So they'll expect certain parameters in the balance sheet, and if those parameters are fulfilled, lenders would be ready to lend, otherwise they'll not. So lenders will be looking at your balance sheet as one of the important or the primary document. Various statutory authorities will be looking at your balance sheet for various tax levies. Income tax department will be looking at your balance sheet and P&L for deciding the level of tax. And for peer analysis, you should know how your competitor is doing, whether he has grown or whether if you are going to have a similar infrastructure, and if that guy is doing well, you should know how he is doing well. And most of the information you will be able to get by having a look at the balance sheet. Again, most important thing is by reading balance sheet, you will be able to know what's your strength and weakness. Mother of all, the information which you get out of the balance sheet would help you to make your future planning. This would tell you the areas where you are lagging and the areas where you should concentrate more. Hence, for all these reasons, reading balance sheet becomes very important.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click, sign up, and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.